Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Unarchiver app on macOS. This is a popular file extraction tool that many Mac users rely on. By default, macOS only supports zip files when it comes to compressing and extracting. So if you need to work with other formats like RAR or 7-zip, you'll need a third-party app. The Unarchiver is available on the App Store, and the best part is, it's completely free. To get started, press Command-Space to open Spotlight, then search for and open the App Store. Next, type the Unarchiver into the search bar and hit Return. Click on the result with the Unarchiver logo. Then click Get, followed by Install. You might be asked to enter your iCloud password, just go ahead and do that. Once the Unarchiver is installed, here's how to use it. Whenever you want to extract a file, just right-click on it, choose Open With, and select the Unarchiver. If you don't see the Unarchiver in the list, click Other, go to the Applications folder, find the Unarchiver, and click Open. Your archive file will be extracted using the Unarchiver. If you want to make the Unarchiver your default extractor instead of the macOS built-in one, here's what to do. Right-click on a zip file and choose Get Info. Under the Open With section, select the Unarchiver. Then click Change All and hit Continue. From now on, double-clicking a zip file will automatically open it with the Unarchiver. If you want to do the same for other formats like 7-zip or RAR, you'll need to repeat the same steps for each file type. One more thing to note. The Unarchiver is for extracting files only. It doesn't support creating archive files. If you're looking for tools that can compress and extract files, check out my playlist called macOS File Compression and Extraction Tools. I've included the link down in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.